Hey everyone, welcome to my video where I'll show you how to jailbreak iOS 17.5.1 in under 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. You can already jailbreak the latest iOS version and enjoy all the awesome jailbreak features. Before we dive in, I want to show you proof that I'm on the newest iOS version. As you can see, my device is completely up to date. Now, let me also show you that my device is successfully jailbroken. Take a look at the Cydia app on my screen. It's only available on jailbroken devices, so you know this is legit. Jailbreaking your device can unlock a ton of cool features and customization options that you just can't get with the standard iOS setup. From custom themes to exclusive apps and tweaks, there's a whole world of possibilities waiting for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if you've never jailbroken a device before, you'll be able to follow along easily. I'll also share some tips and precautions to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you're ready to jailbreak your iPhone and take control of your device, keep watching this video. Let's get started. Before we begin, we need to change a few settings on our device to ensure the jailbreak goes smoothly. Don't worry, it's very easy, and I'll guide you through every step. First, open your Settings app and go to the General tab. Find an option called Background App Refresh, tap on it, and set it to either Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular data. This setting allows apps to work in the background, which is important for the jailbreak process. Next, go to the Battery tab in your settings and make sure Low Power Mode is disabled. This feature slows down the device, which we don't need right now. For the final step, go to the App Store tab in your settings and make sure Automatic Downloads is enabled. This setting ensures that the Cydia app will be automatically installed after the jailbreak. With these settings adjusted, we're all set to proceed with the jailbreak. Let's move on to the next step. That's all the settings we need to change, so now we're ready to jailbreak. Open your favorite internet browser, I'm using Safari, and head over to a website called jbelite.cc. This site is the best source for the uncovered jailbreak. As you can see, it provides jailbreaks for iOS 11 through the newest iOS 17, and it's a stable and secure option. To start the jailbreak, click on the Jailbreak button. Confirm your choice by clicking the Jailbreak button again, and the process will begin downloading and installing the necessary components. After it finishes, you'll see another page where you'll need to complete some additional steps required for the jailbreak. Just click the Continue button, and the next page with additional steps will appear. Don't worry, this step is very easy and takes less than 10 minutes. Once you've completed the additional steps, go back to the website and refresh the page. You should see a confirmation that the jailbreak is complete. All you need to do now is restart your device, and Cydia will already be installed. That's it for this video. I hope you successfully jailbroke your device. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and peace out.